ज्ञान रिजल्ट में सभी लोगों का वेलकम है। मैं हूं अजमल। आज के इस वीडियो में स्टैंडर्ड 10 मैथ्स 1 के प्रैक्टिस सेट 2.6 से क्वेश्चन कंटिन्यू करेंगे और आज मैं कोशिश करूंगा कि ये प्रैक्टिस सेट कंप्लीट हो जाए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, Pintu takes 6 more days than Nishu to complete certain work. If they work together, they finish it in 4 days. How many days would it take to complete the work if they work alone? Pintu takes 6 more days than Nishu. यहाँ पर कंपैरिजन निशु से किया गया है, इसलिए पहले हम नंबर ऑफ डेज टेकन बाय द निशु टू कंप्लीट द वर्क को अज्यूम करेंगे। Let Nishu takes X days to complete the work. Then Pintu will take 6 more days. More means plus. किससे प्लस? X. X plus 6 days. अब देखिए 4 दिन में जो है इस वर्क को फिनिश करते हैं। एक दिन में जो है अगर हम देखा जाए तो कितना काम जो है ये करेंगे। In one day, Nishu will complete 1 by X part of the work. In one day, Nishu will complete how many parts? 1 by X part. Suppose you read a book in 10 days. Then what part of the book you will complete in one day? 1 by 10. टोटल नंबर ऑफ डेज अगर जो है 10 है तो एक दिन में आप उसका 1 by 10 पार्ट ही जो है कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं। सेम लॉजिक जो है यहाँ पर यूज की गई है। एक काम को करने में निशु को X डेज लगता है, एक दिन में कितना करेगा? 1 by X पार्ट। Then Pintu he will complete 1 upon X by 6 part of the work. If they work together, that means they will complete together. If they work together in one day, they will complete 1 by X plus 1 by X plus 6 part of the work. That means if they complete the work in 4 days and they work together, they will complete 1 upon X plus 1 upon X plus 6 is equal to the 1 by 4 part of the work. This much they will complete in one day, and together they take 4 days to complete the work. Together they take 4 days to complete the work. That means in 4 days 1 upon X plus 1 upon X plus 6, this is equal to into the 4 days. 1 day में इतना पार्ट हो रहा है, 4 दिन में कितना होगा? ये पार्ट होगा। 4 and 4 cancelled out. Okay. 4, take here LCM, X plus 6. This X will cancel this X. We get X plus 6. Multiply X plus 6 with 1. We get X plus 6. X plus 6 cancelled out. Here is the X. X into 1 is X. This is equal to 1. Now do the cross multiplication. 4 times X plus X is 2X plus 6. This is equal to X plus 6. 8X plus 24 is equal to X square plus 6X. Transpose these two terms on the right side, you will get 0 is equal to x square plus 6x minus 8x minus 24 is minus 24. Or this is equal to x square minus 2x minus 24 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation and we have to solve it. Take the screenshot. So x square minus 2x minus 24 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation which we have to solve. Let's solve it by using factorization method. A into c is minus 24, 2 parts will be minus 6 and 4. We can write it down as x square minus 6x plus 4x minus 24 is equal to 0. Take x common, x minus 6 plus 4, x minus 6 is equal to 0. X minus 6 should take as common, x minus 6, x plus 4 is equal to 0. That means either x minus 6 is equal to 0 or x plus 4 is equal to 0. X is equal to 6 or x is equal to minus 4. Number of days cannot be negative. So x is equal to minus 4 is unacceptable. So the correct answer is x is equal to 6. And x was the number of the days taken by Nishu. Therefore, number of days taken by Pintu is equal to x plus 6. X is equal to 6. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12 days. When both work alone to complete the same work, Nishu will take 6 days and Pintu will take 12 days. Question number 9. If 460 is divided by a natural number, quotient is 6 more than 5 times the divisor. And remainder is 1. Find quotient and divisor. Quotient is 6 more than 5 times the divisor. Let the divisor be x. Let the divisor be x. Then quotient is 6 more than 5 times the divisor. 6 more means plus 6. Then 5 times the divisor. Divisor we have assumed x. It will be 5 times x. Remainder is 1. And 460 is divided. That means dividend is 460. This will be equal to 5x square plus 6x plus 1. Then 460 minus 1 is equal to 5x square plus 6x and 459 is equal to 5x square plus 6. If we transpose 459 on the right side, we get 5x square plus 6x minus 459 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation and we have to solve it by finding the value of x. A into C. A into C. A is 5 and C is minus 459 minus 459. This is equal to 5 into 459. It is the 9 5s are, if we take minus 9 into the 9 5s are 45 into 51. And here we need plus 6, it will be minus 45 multiplied by 51. 51 minus 45 is 6. That means we can write it as 5x square minus 45x minus 45x plus 51x minus 459 is equal to 0. मैंने माइनस 45 इसलिए पहले लिखा कि 45 जो 5 से डिविजिबल है और 459 51 से डिविजिबल है. टेक 5x कॉमन, you will get x minus 9 51 common, x minus 51 out of 49 is the minus 9. This is equal to 0. Take x minus 9 as common. You will get 5x plus 51 is equal to 0. Either this term is 0 or this term is 0. X minus 9 is equal to 0 or 5x plus 51 is equal to 0. Here x is equal to 9 or x is equal to minus 51 upon 5. We got the two solutions of the quadratic equation. If 460 is divided by a natural number, minus 51 by 5 is not a natural number, so x is equal to minus 51 by 5 is unacceptable. X is equal to 9 is the answer. We have to find the quotient and divisor. The divisor is 9 and let's find the value of quotient. Quotient is equal to 5x plus 6 5 into 9 plus 6 is equal to 45 plus 6 and this is equal to 51. So the value of क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 एक एक्टिविटी के फॉर्म में दिया हुआ है, इसे हमें कंप्लीट करना है. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD. AB and BC are congruent. AM is the height of the trapezium. Then we have to complete this activity. Area of the trapezium is given as 33 centimeter square. We know that area of the trapezium is equal to half of the sum of the parallel sides multiplied by height. Area of the trapezium is given as 33. Half sum of the parallel sides means AB and CD. AB is x and CD is 2x plus 1. Value of AM is x minus 4. Multiply 2 with 33. 33 into 2 is equal to x plus 2x is 3x plus 1 multiplied by x minus 4. We have to solve it. 33 into 2 is 66. This is equal to 3x into x is 3x square. 3x minus 4 is minus 12x. 1 into x is x minus 4. Which is equal to 3x square minus 11x, and transpose 66 on the right side, you will get minus 70. That means the equation here is 3x square minus 11x minus 70 is equal to 0. Value of A is 3, B is minus 12, C is minus 70. 3A into C. A into C means 3 into minus 70. we can, here we need minus 11x, 3 into minus 7, 3 into minus 7 into 10, which is equal to minus 21 into 10. Minus 21 into 10. We can write it as this is equal to 0 is equal to 3x square minus 21x plus 10x minus 17. We take 3x as the common, we get here x minus 7, take 10 common, we get here x minus 7. X minus 7. Take x minus 7 as common, we get here 3x plus 10. X is equal to minus 10 by 3 or x is equal to 7. Length cannot be negative. Therefore, x is equal to minus 10 by 3 is unacceptable. Therefore, the value of x is 7. Now we have to find the value of A, B, C, D and AD, BC. AB is equal to x, C is equal to the 7 centimeter. CD is the 2x plus 1. 2 into 7 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15 centimeter. AD is equal to BC. X minus 2. 7 minus 2 is 5 centimeter. इस तरह से जो है प्रैक्टिस सेट 2.6 के सारे क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट हुए हैं. Hope you find this video useful and informative. Please like it, subscribe to my channel and thank you very much for watching.